Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel. I am Dr. Hamad Ismail. Today we will talk about how you can parameterize heme-containing protein and use it for MD simulation in GROMACS and other softwares. Heme is basically a structure which contains central iron atom and the molecule. When it is bound with the protein, its parameterization is not simple. But using CHARMM-GUI, we can make it very simple. So let's start. In our previous tutorial, we have explained that what is CHARMM-GUI and how you can register it. Go to open the CHARMM-GUI. This is its website, charmmgui.org. This is the website, or you can simply Google it. Click on the login icon, add your institution email and password, and then click submit. After that, go to the input generator, and in the input generator, go to the solution builder. In the solution builder, you need to upload the heme-containing protein. For this demo, we have selected the protein which is 1B2B. I have downloaded this structure. This is the protein, heme binding protein, which is also bind with the heme. Just show me its structure. I have downloaded this protein. This is heme 1B2B. This is our structure. You can see this is basically the heme and the protein. In the heme there is the iron. So we are going to generate topology for this metal atom. So simply go to the CHARMM-GUI, go to the browse and upload your heme structure. This is my heme structure 1B2B. After uploading, click on the select model and chain. It will process it. Here this is the information. It is basically heme binding protein A, protein ID is this one, and experimental model is XD. This is the protein and this is heteroatom, which is calcium atom. Either you want to include it or not, it's your choice. And heteroatom B is basically the heme molecule, and the last one is the water. So I'm going to include the protein and heme. I'm not going to include the calcium, and I'm not going to include the water molecule. Select your desired molecules and then click on the manipulate PDB icon. After this is the next step. It is the model missing atom. It is giving you the information. Either you want it or not. If you don't model it, just uncheck it. Otherwise, just check mark it. It is by default check mark. If you want the mutation, if you want the proteination state, disulfide bond, you can make changes as well. These are basically proteination state and so on. Right now you can see this is the protein information, and then here the heme coordination. It has also selected the protein. This is protein A and tyrosine and residue number 7. These are the heme parameterization. It has detected it automatically. You don't need to change anything, or if you want to change some other option, you can change it. But if your target is to simulate only the heme and protein, just go to the by default option. I haven't changed anything. I choose the default settings and click on the generate PDB icon. Now it is working. You can see here is your job ID. You can copy this job ID and save it for the future. If your system takes too much time for completing this job, you can copy this ID and save it with you. You can check it after 1 hour, 2 hours, or even if you are busy, you can check it in the next day. But you need this ID, right? I'm going to tell you, just simply copy this ID. Let me show you. This is CHARMM-GUI, and then I'm already logged in. Go to the input generator, and input generator, click on job retriever and paste your job ID here and submit it, and it will show that the step 1, 2, 3 has been completed. If you want to go to step 3, click on the go icon and you say the step has been completed, and you can continue from here. So we come back to our previous page. This is our previous page. Here you can see this is the computed energy which it has generated. These are the automatically selection bond which is fit water box size to the protein size. It has automatically size the water box according to the size of your protein. If you want to modify, you can choose the specify water box and you can add the dimension. The best way is this one. Then you want to include the ion, you can choose the Monte Carlo or you can choose the distance, but the best practice is Monte Carlo. You can choose potassium chloride, sodium chloride, calcium chloride or magnesium chloride. By default we choose calcium chloride and the concentration is 0.15, which is the standard concentration. These are the count. After doing this, click on the next step, which is the solvation of the molecule. Now it is working on the solvation. It may take some time depending upon the server. Sometimes the server are busy and take more time. Normally take 1 to 2 minutes to complete the job, but if the server is busy and your job is not executing, it may take 1 hour, 2 hour or even 4 to 5 hours. But you can copy your job ID and check it later. This step is also completed. You can view the structure from here. These are basically the solvated molecule structure. This is our structure. These are basically structure molecule. Here is the heme item. These are potassium and these are chloride, and the red ones are the water molecules. So the system is ready. Then these are the system information. The next is the grid generation. For the grid generation we use the automatic option for force field transfer PNV. Select this one. If you want to choose your own dimension, you can select this icon and choose it, but best recommended is use the automatic generation of the grid, and then select this option and click on the next step. Now the grid generation step has been initiated. Now it's creating your grid around the protein and ligand. The step has been completed. The next step is the force field option. Here is the CHARMM force field. You can choose the CHARMM-36 Amber or OPLS. The latest is CHARMM-36M. Or if you want to parameterize the cation pi interaction, you can check mark this box, or you can choose the hydrogen bond, or you can choose multi-site. Right now I'm not interested in these one. I'm only interested in generating the topology for GROMACS. So I'm going to choose the GROMACS topology. I'm also let's suppose interested in Genesis or Amber force field or now force field. Simply select anything you like, or you are interested in Desmond, select these one. Then these are the equilibrium state, which are the input generation file, and we are going to use it for npt ensemble. The temperature is by default. By selecting these options, click on the next step. When you click on the next step, it will generate the topology for you for these background software. They will generate the independent folder for each one. When the job is completed, I will explain that how you can use them. The generation has been completed. Now you can download this folder. Click on this download button and your file will be ready for downloading. Our downloading has been started. Our file has been downloaded. Just go to this file and this is our folder. In this folder you can see we have topologies for Amber, Desmond, GROMACS, named and Topper. So you can see these are the GROMACS folder, and these are the file which will be used in the next step. In our previous video we have demonstrated that how you can use these files for complete MD simulation on GROMACS. You can use the same step, same command which we provide on this video, and your molecular dynamic simulation will be completed without an error, without any problem. You just need to copy this file and paste in your working folder and start from the step 4, energy minimization, then the next step energy equilibration, and then the production step. This is how you can make your topology so simple. If you have any question, you can type in the comment section. Please like and subscribe our video for more upcoming lectures. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.